Akpa, hello
Yes,
Akpa.
sir. Yes, I'm with
Please,
you, sir.
can you briefly explain what you have learned in a previous class?
Okay. Hello, sir. In the previous class, we learned about list comprehension. No, and tuples. Tuples. Yes. How to change, how to update tuples.
Okay, before Akpa comes back, I'm going to continue. Owoyemi, you're welcome. So I'm going to continue, okay? Akpa, uh, thank you. Thank you. So today we are going to focus on what? Sect. Now, what is sect? We have to know what is sect. Sect, set are collection of what? Item, or set are collection of values. Set does not accept duplicate. Set does not what? Accept duplicate. And sets are unordered. So I'm going to type it and explain it to you again. So let me type it on Colab. I will use text. Introduction to sect. One, sect is a collection of word values. Collection of word values. Set does not accept duplicate. Set does does not what? Accept duplicate. Accept duplicate. Now, three, set 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 are arranged, or sets are unordered. They are not arranged in ordered. They are unordered. Sets are unordered. So we are going to see all these I have explained about set. We are going to what? See all these I have explained about it. So I'm going to show you some few examples of what I have explained so far. So now for us to create a set, we use a coiling braces. Now, when I say coiling braces, unlike our normal brackets that do not have a coil or curve, but now a set is declared as what? A coiling braces. So let's see. And sometimes as we move forward, we will also go into dictionary. Now a set is when you create a set at the beginning without you imputing values, it will recognize it as what? A dictionary. A dictionary, when you check the type, it will tell you it's a dic. It's a dictionary. So that is the meaning, because Python will short it in a short form. Okay. So I'm going to show you an example. Now let me create an example of what? Of a sect. So I will say my underscore sect, my sect. I will assign it to the coiling braces. Now this is a sect. Normally If you did not insert anything inside, the system will recognize it as what? A dictionary. It will recognize it as a dictionary. So let's check for the type. I will run this. So I will run. Yeah, I've run it. Now let's see the type. Type, then my set. Now, when I run it, you see it will show me dict, and this is a short form of what? Dictionary in Python. So as soon as I insert value inside, it will recognize it as a set. As a set. So you will see the difference between a set and a dictionary. You will see the difference between a set and what? A dictionary. A dictionary comes with what? Keys and values. Keys and value. But set is just the values alone. It did not come with keys. So let's move on. Let's see an example of what is set. So I'm going to insert value to a set. Now I'm going to insert, let's say I'm going to insert fruit to it. Okay. Uh, let me just copy this, copy, and I will insert it as what? Sec2. Sec2. So I'm going to insert fruits to it. Let's say apple, comma. Now in sect, we have to indicate it as a string, the values we want to put. So we cannot just write apple like that without us indicating which data type. Remember, I've talked to you about data type. So we have to insert a string, what? Apple, cherry, uh, mango, mango. Which other fruit again? Who can tell me one other fruit I can add?
Orange, orange.
Okay, orange. So orange. Now these are the fruit I want to list. Now these are set of what? These are different sets. So when I put it, it gave me the result. Now let's check for the type. You see the difference between an empty set when you did not insert anything and when you inserted something to it. So let's move it down there. So I'll paste it here. Now I'll name it 2 because it's the variable name 2. I'll run. Did you see? It recognizes it as what? A sect. At a sect. So when you did not add anything, it will recognize it as what? A dictionary. So let's move on. So now I have taught you a set now. I can also what? Add different data type. Apart from a string, I can also add numbers like digits to it. So let me just copy this. Copy and paste. So I will name it 3. Now I can add what? 1, comma, 2, comma, 3. So you can mix anything to it, okay? You can mix anything to it. So I can run it. It will still give me the what? The result. So let me just copy this sect and paste it down. You see? It will still give me the output. So you can mix it. You can mix a sect, but sect is an on order list. So let's see how we can what? Add. How to what? Add using the add method in a sect. So we want to add and see the results. So for us to add, we are going to add a fruit. Which fruit are we going to? Okay, we are going to add grape. So we are going to use a method called add. So in sect3, in sect3, let's say sect3, let me just copy this, copy and paste. Now I'm going to say dot add using the add method to it. Now what am I going to add? I'm going to add what? A fruit called what? Grape. Now let me run. So when I print sect3 again, you see that it has already been ordered. It has already been added, sorry. It has already been added to it. Now you see grape. Please, did you notice something? When we were doing sect, when you add something, I think it will go to the last, right?
Yes.
Yes.
But now when I had something, you see it was in the middle. Yeah, that's to tell you that set is unordered. It can place anything you had anywhere. Anything you had, it will place it anywhere. So when I run it multiple times, it will change their locations. So let's see. You see grape is here. Let's see something. Okay. You see have been shifted. Look at the okay. Something like okay. You see the number was here like this before. You see when I run it, the number came here. So sect is unordered. Okay, sect is unordered. So let's move on now. And also we are going to make use of uh what we called, let's say, update. You can update a sect. You can update a sect. Now let's update a set and see what the output will be. What with what the output will be. So let's update it. So now I'm going to create coming. I'm going to create another sect. Another sect, yes, another sect. Okay. This sect, this set will be called sect4. So I'm going to update sect4 to sect3. So now I'm not going to use all these values. I'm going to use names. So I'm going to use my name, Moses. I'm going to use Favor, and I'm going to use Owoyemi. Now we have another set called set4. We want to update set4 into set3. So I'm going to call my set3. Then using the dot update, then I will pass in what this set4. When I run set3, you see it has already been updated. So when I run it, let's see set3. My set3, you see set3 has been updated to what? To these values. Look at it. Apple, Cherry, Mango, Owoyemi, Moses, and all. So it has been updated. I believe you saw it. Hello, hello, guys.
Yeah, with you, sir. Please come again. You are saying about the update.
Now look at it. I have my first item, which is sect3, right? Now I created another item, which is what, sect4, which I added Moses, Favor, Owoyemi. Now I updated sect4 into sect3. I print out sect3. You see, it add Moses, Owoyemi, and Favor to it. Did you see it? I
Yes.
believe you understand
Yes.
it.
Yes. Yes.
So that is how you can make use of the what update of a sect. So it does not accept duplicate. Remember I told you it does not what
Yes, sir.
accept duplicate. Now when we talk about duplicate are something that look alike. Okay, so let's create a variable called uh let's create a variable called okay sect let's say sect5. Let's say sect5. Okay, sect5. Sorry, sect5, or my sect5. Now this my sect5. I want to assign it to values like this. I want to assign it to value like this, Owoyemi. I will duplicate it. I will see the output. I want to see the output of what I duplicated. So I'll paste it to my sect5. Now this sect5, I will copy this. And I'll paste it here. You see, I've duplicated it too. Now when I run it, it has already been run. So let's see sect5. Did you see that it did not print the duplicate?
Yes. You only pick it once.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, it does not what accept duplicate. So we are moving to union of what is sect. Union of what is sect. We are going to look on union of what is sect. So now what is union of a set? I believe they taught you union in school. In mathematics, you have done union in sect. Hello, can you still
Yes. Yes,
remember
sir. Yes,
sect?
sir.
Yeah, remember union. We have interset. We have different this thing. So I'm going to show you how this, and I'm also going to give you an assignment too. So we are going to focus on what union of what is sect. Union of a sect. Now union of a sect, I'm going to create two separate sects. I'm going to create a two separate sets, then with different values. Okay, two separate sects, and I will also add similar item, but not everything will be inside, but two of it will be similar. Okay, now who can briefly explain for me what is union in a sect before I continue?
Uh, Union of a set is merging two different sets together by not duplicating any of them.
I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you.
Okay, I said union of a set is merging two sets together, but not duplicating any of it.
Okay, okay. Owayemi, are you with us?
Yes, he has already said it. It's the combination of two or more sets.
Two or more sects. Okay, let's see something. So this will be my sect 6 and sect 7. So sect 7. So this sect 7, I'm going to copy. I mean, don't waste time. I'm going to copy this sect. I'll paste it here. Now, in this, now you see, I have similar value 1, 1. I have 2, 2. You see? So, let me copy. Let me add Sherry to it. Okay, Sherry, copy. Add Sherry. So good. I've added Sherry. So let's see how we can what add union what of a set. Now to add a union of a set, you will use a method called union. You will use a method called union. Okay? You will use the method called union of what is set 2. Mm. Now this union, I'm going to say, let me copy this. I'm going to say dot union. Sorry. Then I'm going to pass in 7. Then I'll run it. So I've run it now. Okay. Let me print out. Sorry. Let me print out the output. Okay. I missed out something. So let me just create another variable attached to it. Let's say sect1, so that you will not be confused. Sect1 is equal to dix. Yeah. Sect1 is equal to this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Not supposed to be this. So let me add a variable name called my my sect 8. Okay, my set underscore 8, so that you guys will not be confused. So I will run it now. I will put, let me see the result of 8. Print my set 8. So and run. When I run it, you will see the sect. Look at the value. Please, what did you notice? I
I
want your
noticed
response. What did you notice?
I noticed that set 8 my set 8 has combined my set 6 and 7 and not duplicating any of it. Just bringing out one.
Good.
This.
So that is it. So let's move on. I believe you understand it too. Before I move on,
Yes, sir.
you guys understand? So let's move on.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, please, I want to ask a question.
we are going to.
I want to ask a question.
You can ask.
Is this union not the same with
Ask.
that?
Ask.
Is this union not the same? Is it not the same with that add method we used?
Add. No, now
Yes.
it's not the same. It's not the same. Okay, it's not the same.
Okay, sir.
In
Okay, sir.
add, it doesn't. It's not the same. It's just that it look the same because set do not accept duplicate. You understand?
Okay, okay, okay.
You understand? That's why it did not add duplicates to it. So okay, so we can also do for what intact set. Let's see the intact set. Let's change it to what intact set. Intact set. Let's see the output. Now, who can explain this to me? Why did it give us this result?
Okay, it only brings out the result that is in both set 6 and set 7.
Okay, good. So I believe you guys understand it.
Intercept is the common common value or common variable between the two sets.
Good. So let's see for difference. Uh, Favor, are you with us?
Yes, I'm here. I'm with you.
I believe you understand.
Yes, sir.
So I don't want you to miss out. So let's continue. So there's also what we call difference in a set. Now, there's what we call difference and there's what we call symmetric difference. So let's see the difference. Let's see difference. Let's run. Now, what was the difference? What do you understand by difference? Hmm? Hello?
Yeah, we are with you. When we talk about the difference, we are talking about
What the
what is not in set 6 and set 7.
good, good. So if you check Owoyemi is in sect 6, not in sect 7. Favor is in sect 6, not in sect 7. And Moses is in sect 7. Sect 6, not in what? Sect 7. So that is the difference. Now, let's look at what symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Now, in symmetric difference, you're also going to explain to me what is that. Now, look at symmetric difference. Now, what symmetric difference is?
Symmetric difference there means what is not
Hello?
common between both of them. What is not common between the two sets?
Okay, good, 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 good. I love that. What is not common between two of them? So, this is how you can what play with all these things. This is how you can what play with all these things. So, use I try to explain all these things because you need it at the very beginning of Python. It's a foundational stage of Python. And when you are working with advanced code, you will need all this. Sometimes you might write an algorithm that you don't want a certain data to be in a particular cell or set. So you can just use all this by creating a set and combine like that. You can play with it. You can also try to go through it and work on projects like that. Um, so let's move on. Now, uh, okay, write this assignment down. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Owoyemi, please write
I'm
this
with you,
assignment
sir.
down. Okay, one, how to convert data structure. How to convert what? Data structure. Converting a tuple to what? A set. Converting a tuple to a set, or yeah, converting is, let's say converting a set. Let's say convert a set to what? A tuple. I and also convert a tuple to what? A set. Convert tuple to a set. So you can interchange it. So you convert a set to what? A list. How you can convert a set to what? A list. So that is the assignment. So we are moving into what? Dictionary. We are moving into what? Dictionary. Now, what is dictionary? Dictionary are collection of data in keys and value. Dictionary are collection of data in keys and what? Values. So we are going to see different projects. Okay, we are going to see different projects. So I will explain it for you. So it's a collection of what? Keys and value. So I believe at the beginning of I believe at the beginning of this training, I taught you about different formatting, printing formatting. You will see the usefulness of what? Different printing formatting. Now, to declare a set is just like to declare a dictionary, just like how you created a set. Now, the difference is that you have what? A key and what? A value inside, followed by what? Comma. Now, let's see an example of what I have explained so far. So let's see. So, introduction to what? Dictionary. Sorry. Mm, wow. Okay. Let me use this method. Introduction to what? Dictionary. To dictionary. Now, dictionary, this is the introduction. Now, dictionary is a collection of keys and word values. So, dictionary is a collection of keys and values. So, we are going to see some of these examples. So, I will add a text, a code to it. Now, we are going to declare a dictionary. I'm going to say my underscore dic. Then I will use my square brackets, curly brackets, sorry. Now I've declared a set, so I'll run a dictionary. So I've declared a dictionary. So I'm going to insert values. Now you see how I'm going to insert what? Value. So I'm going to name it dictionary one, dictionary one. I'm going to write name. Okay, I'm going to write name, and this name will be on string. It will be my key. Okay, name, and I'm going to separate it with colon. Then I'm going to write the name, the full name. Let's say Owoyemi. Now I've created a simple dictionary with what? Key and value. So I'm separating it. Now I'm going to copy this. I've written a name. So you can use dictionary to what? Collect data. You can use dictionary to collect what? Data. So I'm going to say age. Now in age, I'm going to write, let's say 37, 34, comma. So I'm going to paste again. What again? The age, let's say the occupation, occu, occupation. So I'm going to write data analyst, data analyst. So when I run it, you see I've run it. So let's see the output. So this is it. Now you know that I can access Owoyemi using the key name. It will give me the output. I can access what? Owoyemi using the name. It will give me the output. So let's see how I can access this item. For me to access this item, I'm going to write, let me declare a variable collecting name, collecting name. So I'll assign it now in dictionary. So what am I going to use? I'm going to use dic1, my dict1. I'm going to pass in using the square bracket what I want. I want the name. Now when I run it, let me see the output. Let me collect the variable name and paste it down. Let's see my output. You see, I've accessed, I've accepted, sorry, I have accessed Owoyemi using the name. It gave me Owoyemi. So still the same, I can still do it like this. I can still do it like this. 2, let's say 2. Okay, 2. Then I can add age. Yeah, I can add age to it, and it will give me the output. Okay. So I will just print everything together. So I'll print everything together. So let's do it like this. Age. So age, occupation. Now occupation, so I can print it like this. Print. Now I'm going to collect what the name. Collect name, comma, collect name 2, copy name 2, and collect name 3. Let's say name 3, copy. So you see how it will give me when I run it. You see Oyemi 34 data analyst. So this is how you can collect a data in a dictionary. So do you have any question?
No question for me.
No questions, sir. We
No,
understand.
no, you understand, okay? Now, mm, okay, we are going to see other ways we can use different pattern to output all these things. So, uh, okay, uh, before we, okay, Oyemi,
I'm
write this
listening, sir.
assignment to it using different printing formats. Output the various results. Okay,
I'll
Now,
put the
I want
various.
you to do this for me. So you see this example I gave you guys this
Yeah.
example. So I want you to use different printing formats to print something similar. You use different printing format print that like that to output all these results. I don't like it like that. I want it to be like when you are putting uh the name of the candidate is Owoyemi 34 data analyst, like that. You just be like a sentence.
Okay.
So you can use different printing formats to arrange it like it's what a sentence. So I believe
Okay.
we can call it a day. Can we call it a day,
Yes, before we call it a day, I want you
or
to
should
go
I
back to
continue?
the. No, I want you to go back to the assignment. You said the assignment one is to convert a data structure to a set. Can you hear
Yes.
me? And the second one
Look
is
at it. First is look at it. Look at it. The title is what? Converting data structure. Then there's one. Then under it is I. Convert a set to a tuple, convert a set to a list, convert a list to a tuple, convert a set like that. You
okay.
understand?
Okay.
So the next one followed by this example I gave you, use different printing formats to write it for me and give me in a sentence. It should output it in different words, sentence.
Okay.
You guys understand? So what I mean,
Yeah.
you drop it on the group chat, okay?
All right, I
So,
will.
so I want to ask a
So
question.
should we continue? Okay.
This last
What's
assignment,
your question?
this last assignment you are giving, you say it should be like the name is Owoyemi. Is that what I don't really understand the different printing formats you are saying?
Oh, uh, were you not in the beginning of the class?
I was.
I introduced you guys to different printing format now. When we use the F string printing format, we use the format printing. Did you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So use that method for me. You see, do your research. Search for what? Printing format. Okay? Search for
Okay,
printing
sir.
format. Use the use the examples to output results for me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So is there any other question?
No.
So let's continue now.
Do you want me to continue?
Yes, sir. Continue. Continue.
Oh yeah, me, do you want me to continue?
Yes, we are continue. I would have loved to call it a day, but let's continue.
Uh Favor, do you want me to continue?
You can continue.
You guys want to kill me. I'm not feeling fine. I just managed to come online. But let's continue though. Let's continue. So I've I've given you that assignment. So I want you to do it. I want you to do it. I want you to know it, okay? And do it. So I'm going to move to how you can what copy how you can copy a dictionary, how you can pop a dictionary, how you can get a dictionary. So and how you can clear. Or okay. How you can what clear a dictionary. So let's see an
Please.
example how to
Okay.
what hello, what? You have anything to say?
No, I'm saying, since you are not feeling fine, just don't overstretch yourself. You can just go ahead with what you wanted to say, and then you can go and rest.
Thank you. Please, I'm sorry, I'm not feeling fine. Just managed to come online. So
Okay,
please,
okay,
so
sir.
let's call
Sorry,
it a day.
sorry. We did not. I did not know you are not feeling fine. We can call it today, sir. Sorry.
Yeah. So do
Thank
have
you,
a
sir.
great day. On Sunday we'll meet again, and we are going to move deeper into uh, data analysis. So this is our dictionary, and dictionary is one of the essential parts you need to know. In data analysis, we are going to use dictionary more of it. You are going to see it. We are going to use it more of it. Kindly take note of it. We are going to, when we start analyzing process, we are going to use dictionary. Okay, we are going to use dictionary when we enter pandas. So after dictionary, we are going to look into different inputs and outputs, where you can tell the system to, you can write a program where you tell the system that you want you the any user to input his name, then input his password, and it will give you the result. So we are going to see those things. Okay, so we are moving down to that. So and thereafter we are moving towards uh this function and class. After class, we are going to move into data analysis proper, which we are going to start with pandas, where we're going to load our data. We are going to clean our data. We are going to see how we can what combine two data, and we are going to also see how we can what calculate different columns. So do have a great day. I want you to read ahead and study hard. Okay. On Sunday we'll meet again. Good night and have a nice day and have a great day ahead. Bye.
Hearing me tuning on the background.